Featuring an inlaid handle for convenient lifting, this water bottle ensures secure carrying and prevents breakage or accidental drops. Its portability allows for easy transport, making it ideal for storing cold water, acting as an ice pack, or serving as a mobile water tank. The compact design of the water bag allows for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable polyethylene material, the water bag is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Available in a 5-liter capacity, the water bag measures 33 centimeters in length and 30 centimeters in width. This foldable water bag, designed for camping and outdoor travel, boasts a large capacity and a convenient foldable design that shrinks to a compact size for easy storage. Whether you're embarking on a challenging hike or simply enjoying a picnic in the park, this foldable water bag is an essential companion for staying hydrated on your outdoor adventures. Stay hydrated and adventure-ready with top-quality gear from CampQuestOutfitters.com. From foldable water bags to essential camping equipment, we have everything you need to make your outdoor experiences unforgettable. Visit us today and gear up for your next journey.